Welcome to Pocket Women, Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I have for you a vintage Lockwood 232 padlock. It's a little beauty. I got it from Paul Springett in the package he sent me. This is the key. That's the bitting. It's a little 30mm, 5.5mm shackle. Works perfectly. So I'm going to try and pick this top of the keyway with a pick that Rev sent me, and this is a commercial tension. So here we go. Click on 2. It's a little 4-pinner. Really fun pick. Going to adjust my fingers. I've got a bit of damage and I can't put pressure, so just bear with me. Okay, you're going to have to change my angle. Some went crunch. 1 springy, 2 springy, 3 set, 4 set, 1 set, something dropped, 2 set, 3, 4, movement on the core, 1, oh yes, we have an open. Oh, that was fun. And there goes a train. So this has been the Lockwood 232. Fun little pick. Still works really well. Thanks to Paul Springett. Check out his channel. Thanks to Rev. Check out his channel. I'm Pocket Woman. Stay legal. Temptations everywhere.